everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are unboxing Splendies. Splendies is a monthly panty subscription, so you get 3 panties every month, and it's based off a small profile. You let them know what your size is, of course, and they have a wide size range from small to 4X, and then you let them know what style you like. So you can get all thongs, all like regular brief panties or full back panties, or you can get a surprise variety, which is what I get. So I will link Splendies down below. They do automatically apply a discount for your first month. Sometimes it's like $5 off, but I've looked other times it's 50% off. Normally it's $16.99. I will link their website down below. I definitely recommend this. I've been getting it forever. The panties are so cute. I love that I post these videos. We get the chance to see for panty twins because there is a variety. Not everyone gets the same exact ones every month. But yeah, I'm so excited to see what's inside. Let's get started. I think I gave you all the information on it. Pretty simple. A lot of people like to size up one size for Splendies, but it really is your preference. On their website, you can look at the size charts and all of that. I can't get this open right now. Let's start today. I went out last night. I went for trivia night and we won, but I didn't get home till like 11, so I'm a little tired today. How cute is this paper? I love the green. So it always comes wrapped nice. Oh my god, that's so cute! A little sneak peek. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can tell these are so cute and so springy. I think I had this one, like similar print, but it was a thong. So here, I'm going to show one at a time. This is so cute. So this first one here, this is a full back panty. Yeah, I don't have the same exact one, but I have like a similar style one. And I don't know if I still have it, but I loved it. It's so cute. This is a nylon panty. And I like this. This is like one of those that like won't show through your clothes, you know? This is so freaking cute. It's super smooth and soft. I love the print. So this one is Splendies brand. Sometimes you'll get other brands. I think we might have one in here in this month's mix. And they're $12 value. So you save. You pretty much get a panty free, or more than that. You only pay for like 1.5 and you get 3. So it's a great way to save. You want to refresh your panty drawer. I love this print. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, so we have another full back panty, and this one is lacy. And this one is from Wilshire, Montana. For the lady who has it all, also retail value of 12. So this one is sheer. It's like a light, it's not white, it's like beige, or is that how you call it? But like a nude type color. Well, it looks pretty white actually on camera. But anyways, it has this beautiful floral design. So it's like sheer, obviously, but there's like a cotton gusset here. But it's also like full coverage. Looks like it might even be like kind of higher waisted. Let me zoom out. Can I not? For some reason lately it hasn't been letting me. This is super cute too. But yeah, see what I mean? It looks like it could be a little bit higher waisted. Let's put the other one on. Yeah, just a few inches. I love seeing them together. They're so pretty. Oh my god, this last one, you guys, this might be my favorite one. I always try and choose a favorite. This one is a thong. And look at this print. Oh my gosh. I love how everything is so springy. Makes sense. We officially are in spring, guys. Yay. Seems like it's still cold in a lot of places. So, like I said, it's a thong. This is the prettiest print. This is definitely my favorite. I love this. Like a little stretchy, comfy. Oh my gosh. So it's slightly sheer. I guess you can say sheer, but it's not like the same as this one, which is like completely see-through. This is so cute. So this is Splendies brand, again, $12. So $36 worth of panties. And they always have a cotton gusset or lining, if anyone's wondering. Oh my god, these are so cute. What's your favorite? This one's definitely my favorite here. And then I would say probably this floral one. I don't know, I like this too. But okay, these two I can't decide what comes in second, but the first is definitely this one. I love it so much. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, and of course, let me know, are we panty twins? I can't wait to hear from you. I think Splendies is so great. It's so cute and comfy, and I love that they have a theme. Sorry if you hear my cat in the background. But yeah, I love it so much. Can't wait to hear from you. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you are well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have an amazing day. Do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.